Most abantu sebeyizwile le indaba le circulating around the internet. There are rumors speculating kuthiwa uMfokeng ngenzeka joyine iBarcelona. Yes, iBarcelona le yase Spain edlala kuLa Liga. Ngokomthetho akusiyona ile Barcelona le abantu abayitshela ukuthi iyona. Yabo. Iyona iBarcelona, but this is a B side eBarcelona. iBarcelona B team. Most ama players adlala kule side eBarcelona ma young players. If you can see abadlala abanjengo Chandra Campbell, badlala le ku Club Brugge. But nakukhona ku Club Brugge udlala ku B team yabo ye Club Brugge. Fana njenge TTC yale pheshe. Abantu abaningi bayitshela ukuthi lama rumors lawa ay fake. Ngokwami nami ngantsho ukuthi ay fake because isource esitholile, le source kuthiwa iqhamuka ku Soccer Laduma. Abamaziyo ku Soccer Laduma. Soccer Laduma is not a trusted source, but ngithe sengidiga deep, I saw ukuthi noma if you look at ama recent transfers enziwe ile team le Barcelona B team, ayayenza sense. Uzobhalile lo bafo lo ukuthi it makes sense. Barcelona have been doing this for years. Signed 3 African youngsters for the B team from Mali, Ghana this season. Often give them 2 years to develop on loan in other leagues in Europe. Previously did it with South Americans before switching focus on Africa now. Africa is the new South America for big European teams. Getting these players before Belgian and Dutch clubs priced them for millions. So bathi lana ngamafushe lama club lawa se-Europe ayabona ukuthi cha, most yama players ashisayo manje aqhamuka le Africa. Mesuke Africa ale kuma club ase Dutch or ama club ase Belgium. Mase shisa khona eBelgium, lawo ma club ase Belgium nase Netherlands mase beyabadayisa ngama millions amakhulu. So ama club amakhulu ase Europe athi cha, we must go now and scout in Africa because in Africa there is a lot of talent. Yabo, baya switch focus from South America, they are going now into Africa because Africa now is the new South America. Yabo, so they seeing umdlalo njengomfokeng yabo edlala kanje ku PSA enza izinto ezibukwayo at a young age. So bafuna yena umfokeng. Kuthiwa ama coaches ale Barcelona B team they are monitoring umfokeng and sebekhulumile nabo coach aba coacha lentwana le yabo. So ngenzeka umfokeng ahambe ayojoina le club le. Angazi abantu bazizwa kanjani ngalento le. It's either you believe it or you don't believe it. Yabo, mina I'm skeptical. I'm 50% believing it. I'm 50% not believing it. Yabo. So ngangitshela ama comments ukuthi uzizwa kanjani ngalento le. Is it real or is it fake? Yabo. Ngangibhalela lapha ama comments ungitshela. Yabo, ngiyatholakala ka Facebook nguvana sports. Ngiyatholakala futhi na ka TikTok nguvana sports. Ngiyatholakala Instagram nguvana sport. Nakhona futhi ka YouTube nguvana sports. Ufike usubscribe, ulike. Ngiyabonga futhi ngesupport yenu. So ngangitshela kuma comments ukuthi ubona kuyiqiniso noma kwamanga yini lento le yemfokeng. Yabo, ngokubona kwakho. Yabo, and ukumova kwakhe ayele phesheya ngwamsebenzela yini. Yabo, and futhi amuvele ku B team. Because I understand move ku B team ufike udlale kahle udevelop mase bayakuthatha bakulone in other teams eEurope. Muwenza kahle bazokubuyisa usuzodlalela iA team yakhona. Yabo, kufana nje la South Africa. Umfana mefika ku club iDDC adlale kahle mase siyamluna mase siyambuyisa azodlala for i-first team. Sakubona kwenzeka ukusesana kuOrlando Pirates. Yabo, kwenzeka kanjalo ukusesana kuOrlando Pirates. Most abadlali zakhelele pass samluna weTS Galaxy wadlala kahle wabuya. Yabo, there are many players sabenza njalo. Yabo, so I feel like mina it's a good thing. Yabo, umntwana at experience ibhola la lipheshe. But wangitshela ama comments ukuthi uzizwa kanjani ngalento.